And hello, this is excuse me, Mr. Ward with your week 4 video overview. So we are still researching our for our topic and just really revising the annotated bibliography we did as discussion question 3, which required us to have 5 sources, 1 local, 4 national. I do realize the turnaround time is really tight on that. My apologies. We are going to work through that. So I gave feedback either in an email Sunday or when I graded the discussion post just now. Really all you're doing for this week is, like I said, revising the annotated bibliography. One thing I did notice in some of them, remember there's kind of 3 things. One is the formatted citation, an APA format. And then there's 2 little paragraphs. One is a descriptive objective summary. The other is you're evaluating its credibility, how useful it will be, how deep it goes into the topic. Some of us were either missing that second part or could use a little bit more oomph to it, lack of a better word. So what I just did was, that's not it. All right, in Canvas, under Module 2, just still weeks 3 and 4, I added this APA annotated bibliography sample, which will take you to, it has an MLA format up top, and then down here, second one's the APA, so you can kind of look at that and go, that's what it should look like. Again, if you have any other questions, let me know. But really, I mean, that's kind of it for this week, is just kind of revising that thing we did for DQ3 and submitting it. Here it is 100-point grade, so we make sure we get that done. All right, so, I mean, that's pretty much it. The other things I would say is, last week said to view these lectures, so if you still need to go back to a couple, you didn't get to a couple for whatever reason, go back to those. Readings, if you didn't get to finish those, please do. Really just revise that annotated bibliography. Now, looking ahead to next week, which won't open until later this week, which will be week 5, but this is this week, week 4. Week 5, you are going to do phase 2 of the annotated bibliography. You need an additional 3 sources. One's going to be from an underrepresented voice, which next week's lectures will go into that a little bit more. And then 2 additional credible sources. Again, that's ahead because next week's going to be the same kind of thing where the week's going to start on Tuesday. As now, by Friday, you need to post the first part of that. That is that. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great week.